Hi, welcome to today's video. One of the factors behind the decline of the long treasury yield could be from the Fed's interest rate decision meeting on the 21st of March, where it had announced that the balance sheet reduction program will slow down from May and end in September, and after that it will reinvest the principal payments from the mortgage-backed security holding in treasury securities. Two of the Federal Reserve representatives were trying to increase market confidence yesterday. St. Louis Fed President James Bullard said yesterday that a rate cut was still premature to talk of, while New York Fed President John Williams said that inverted yield curve no longer is a good indicator for a recession. The US GDP growth rate grew by 2.2% in the fourth quarter of 2018. The market was expecting a growth of 2.6%. Consumer spending and business investment rose less than expected. Also, residential investment fell more than expected. In comparison, the GDP growth for previous two quarters were 4.2% and 3.2%. And that's it for today's video. Check the video description for more details. Thank you for watching.